All right, everyone, I just wanted to share a way to download Matlab. Okay, so you go to the site mathworks.com, and already I'm logged in. So you'll see there, this is my account already. And as I said, to create an account, you have to use your student number and a password. If you use any other email, you won't get access. Okay, so you have to use your email address associated with your student number. You know, that student number at WITS, at students and so on, the one that you got from WITS, because MathWorks has an agreement with MathWorks. Okay, so you then click this Matlab. Okay, what is this? Yeah. So after you click that, then you go to install Matlab. These funny pages come. It will point you to the latest one. I suggest for this project, you don't use the latest MATLAB. You go for, say, 2014A. Okay. And this thing will come again. So you choose, you download. Okay, you download. So I think the arrow next to it is the operating system. So either it's for Windows or it's for Mac operating system. Okay. So I'm gonna go for Windows. As you can see, it's a 32-bit, but it's fine. It should work on your PC even if you're 64-bit. Okay. So the download is going. My download has come through. And then okay, still loading. Okay, it says download. Okay. Shucks. Okay, so I go there, I open where it is, because I'm very interested to know where it is. Okay, so it comes as a zip file. Okay. So you can take that, yes, for the demonstrations. Let me go to documents, and under there, create a folder. I'll call it MATLAB. Okay, is there another one? It seems like I do have a MATLAB folder. Oh, shit. So it should be the first ones because it's an MA. Okay, there it is, MATLAB. Okay, I'm gonna create a folder so that I can unzip. But I mean, for you, choose whatever for location, and I'm gonna paste this. After I've pasted it, I'm going to extract it. Extract here. So it's very important that you create a folder because it creates other files. So you need to have them all intact in one file. Okay. Then we go to setup. Right. Okay, that was crazy. Am I still sharing? Yeah. Which screen? I don't know. Anyway, so you choose. You see, there's two kinds of license way of. Okay, so it says you're gonna log in instead of using a file installation key. You're gonna choose that one of logging in. Okay, go. Right, and then you say yes, accept the terms, and then again, this is where you put in your student email address. Okay, very important. So you must have created an account first before you came on to this point. So you don't create MathWorks account. Okay, I guess it's if you don't have an account. Okay, but since you have at this stage, go next. You're about to install the 32-bit version, a 64 version available on DVD and the download section at. Okay, so they are saying you can go there, get your 64-bit if you want 64-bit. They're telling you where to get it. For now, I'm just trying to illustrate. Okay, so you'll see they will link your license now with your email, and my license is that. So I say next. Verifying account information. the location is going to install it. All right. So this is a page really I wanted to come to. Okay. Where you choose the products, you see. So there is Simulink, there is aerospace. Look, you don't need these other things. Bio, communication, control system toolbox. Okay, maybe the control toolbox, you can leave it, curve fitting, data acquisition, data, what, DSPs, econometrics, embedded coder. You don't need all these things, okay? Facial instrument, facial toolbox, fixed point, fuzzy logic, global optimization toolbox, HDL coder, image, is to LTE, mapping, Matlab builder. Okay, you can leave the coder, compiler, report generator, you don't need. Model predictive, neural network, OPC optimization, parallel computing, you know, all these real-time, okay, maybe robust signal processing, same biology. You can leave same drive line event, and then you can remove hydraulics, mechanics, sim power systems, you can leave. Simscape, also you can leave. Simulink 3D animation, coder, you can leave. Control, design optimization, you can really leave design optimization, design verifier, PLC, real time, you can leave. Report generator, verification, validation, sims sheet, state statistics, symbolic maths toolbox, system verification, vehicle network toolbox, you can leave. All right. So my point is, if you select everything, you will need huge amount of space, for this. And then you go next. Okay. And then you can, it's up to you whether you want to put it on the desktop or not. Right. And you go next. And then these are the toolboxes that you may need, and you install. Okay. So it's a lengthy process, this installation. Okay, so I won't go there. So that's how you do it. Okay. Now, once you've installed your Matlab, now you have your Matlab installed. Under Home, what did I do now? You can choose you can select this button there, Set Path. And you basically add a folder where you point where your advisor is, I've already done it, but you can, for simplicity, you can say add folder and then add with subfolders, which is the best way. And then you basically go and choose where your advisor is, okay, where you've kept advisor, and then you select, okay, and then it will add all this folder with its subfolders, and that's, then you're done. Alternatively, you can point it here, but this one you'll have to do every time. You can also choose to give it the directory, from here, where your thing is, okay. So you can point it from here, okay. And then this, if you take this route, you'll have to always do it when you start Matlab. But else this one, it's set, it's there already. You don't have to do that. And then to start the program, you just say advisor, okay. And Matlab has been updated with advisor directories for this Matlab session. Would you like to save the new path? You can say yes. All right. And it comes and you can begin having fun with your project. Okay. So that's how you get your advisor started. All the best. How do I stop recording?